Hi everyone. In today's session, we are covering a formula called transpose. So, what is transpose? So, for example, we have this particular data which is lying over here, right? So, here we have player name, all the names are available over here, and the countries in the second row, span in the third row, matches in the fourth row, innings in the fifth row. So, this is not typical table which we usually see, right? We usually see these names available in columns and then the countries and then the span and then the matches like this you will see, right? So sometimes you will be getting a data in a raw format, so it will be in rows, sometimes it will be in columns, and how you can change the format easily. So what you can do, you have to copy paste one by one like this. Like this you have to copy and it will take an entire day, but that's not an ideal thing. So we can use a formula called transpose. So we have two options how we can use transpose. First option is just copy the entire data. Wherever you want to paste it, just go there and Control Alt V, which will give you the paste special. And here you have, just click on values and transpose. If you want formulas or any other formatting you want to do, you can select that. And here at the end, you'll see transpose. So once you click on transpose, the data got automatically shifted from rows to columns. So whatever is there in these columns, it got shifted to rows. The second column got shifted to second row. Likewise, everything got shifted from columns to rows or rows to columns. Okay, this is the first option we have. And the second option is equal to transpose. We have a formula for that as well. Very few things in Excel you will see an option uh, like a shortcut option and also a formula. This is one of those things which you have a shortcut and also a formula. So just select the array you want and you got the same output again. So either you can use Control Alt V to get this paste special. Control Alt V, you'll get the paste special option. Or the second option, transpose formula. Hope this helps. Thank you. See you in the next session.